What's up? Andrew Pollock here, doing another Dartboard marketing video today, funnels edition, talking about Google product cards. Really cool, and you might think it's just for like stores and retail and stuff like that, but put on your creative hat as a mortgage person or a real estate or insurance or really any business where possibly what you're selling isn't really tangible, in the case of mortgage and insurance specifically. But think of it, obviously you've got products, you've got FHA, VA, jumbo. There's different kind of niches and solutions that you offer, and being able to use the Google product cards capabilities is something that you have to think about, because people see it, it's visual. It's a little carousel of images that shows up as products for your business when people Google you. So your Google My Business profile is showing that you have products, right? And it's a display that is eye-catching, that you can customize the graphic, what you call the product. And my favorite part about it is where it links, meaning you can link that Google product card to a lead funnel, a landing page, something dedicated to that topic, right? Which is the idea. If you have something talking about low down payment options or zero down payment or VA or whatever it is, you want to then drive that consumer to a landing page or a lead funnel that has that same language and is talking about that same topic very clearly. So there's a one-to-one connection between, oh, I clicked because you kind of caught my attention with that. And then when I arrived on your next page, that matched up and the messaging was very similar. It said, find out if you're eligible. It only takes about 60 seconds to get started. And it starts asking me questions that are relevant to that process. I cannot help myself as a consumer in many cases, besides just going through that process and then providing you with some information if they're serious. So using those product cards to pull in traffic and then guide traffic to dedicated lead funnels is the essence of what everything we do at leadPops is all about. Having a dedicated landing page, being able to get in front of a good audience, create interest, get them to click, and then of course pulling them into something that is going to convert a lead for you, and being able to dynamically customize the messaging on the page to the ad or the offer is really what those lead funnels are for. It's very quick and easy to log in and make those edits and changes. And then customizing the product cards, there's a lot of information about it online. We can include a link below as a tool for you, just as a quick resource. And then if, of course, you're a leadPops client, we set these things up for our clients. Like, we have different options where we make it super easy, very high impact, high value for people, especially if you've got a good local brand and recognition and people are Googling your name. Just a great way to kind of control that consumer experience a little better and where they end up when they Google your name, because them Googling you can lead to a lot of stuff that isn't really in your favor, right? Them ending up on like your Yelp page isn't always like the best thing ever. I'd prefer to pull them into something you own, right? It's your page, it's your lead generation opportunity, and there's no other competitors listed on it. I mean, that's what this is all about. Again, conversion optimization, just finding where you can plug conversion opportunities into stuff you're already doing. Google My Business pages are perfect for just that. So if you want to talk to us about this in more detail, again, link in the description to both the Google product card update information from Google, and then also a link to request a demo with our team to talk about this and everything related to digital marketing for your business. So if you think this content is helpful, please like, share, comment below. Tell us about what you're doing with Google product cards. Interact in some way. It really helps the channel. And I appreciate you very much. Thanks for the time. Catch you soon with another video.